Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.